Hi, I'm Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. This week on Pink Diamond, we're looking at a Nevada-based company that has ambitions in the licensing of video communications and content with an emphasis on Chinese language content and the Chinese mainland. The live streaming market in China is massive, and by the end of 2020, there were 617 million users registered with the country's major platforms. Those users account for as much as 62% of all internet users in the country, and 130 million of them are regularly active live streamers. 40% of those are aged between 24 and 30, and many live in major cities such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Wuhan. The streamers have spending power too, as they earn between 3,000 and 5,000 yuan, or $600 to $700 a month, according to research from the China Association of Performing Arts. That is good money by Chinese standards, and these urban streamers are an advertiser's dream target market. Video streaming in China has become synonymous with ByteDance-owned TikTok, which has some 689 million users globally and whose app has been downloaded more than 2 billion times. The platform has created a whole ecosystem of performers and influencers and has launched many trends and challenges. The company we are interested in is at the other end of the spectrum, however. AB International Group Corp trades on the OTCQB market with a market cap of just $15.3 million. The company has its own video streaming service, ABQQ-TV, which currently focuses on longer form content, including movies and TV shows in Chinese language formats. AB International is also trying to build up intellectual property licenses, movie distribution rights, and has certain smartphone patents as well. The firm was founded in 2013 with offices in New York, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The chairman and CEO of the company is Qiuan Deng, an investor in and producer-director of Chinese language movies who has extensive management and business experience in mainland China. He's assisted by Chief Investment Officer Jimmy Chu, a Wall Street veteran who has worked at Merrill Lynch, Prudential Securities, and as a senior partner of Silver Bear Capital. The company has updated the market twice in the last 2 months. At the end of June, they highlighted their intention to expand their library of Chinese language content for ABQQ-TV with an emphasis on TV dramas and movies, and in particular through a partnership and licensing deal with Star East Net, a leading Chinese entertainment artist network. This is a deal that CEO Qiuan Deng expects to add broadcasting rights to thousands of movies in the near future. In late July, they announced several content-related deals and tie-ups, including a license and broadcast rights to a movie featuring a prominent TikTok star, Tiawan Chow Chow, which would be broadcast by ABQQ-TV alongside a mainland China cinema release. To be frank, AB International hasn't achieved much in the last 5 years or so, particularly when compared to the progress of fast-growing competitors and giant video streaming services in China. However, it may now be gathering some momentum, and even a small fraction of the Chinese market could represent a very lucrative opportunity. It seems as though Wall Street pros have picked up on this potential, and Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking database, has identified 262 searches of the company in recent days, searches that were made by 206 individual institutional investors. That level of interest was sufficient to take AB International to number 21 in our league table of the most searched for OTC and pink sheet tickers. The share price has been picking up too, rising by 17% over the last month and 6.2% in the last week. And there have been 15 days during July where volumes traded have exceeded 1 million shares, and the stock posted 7 new highs during that time. AB International is effectively plankton in the Chinese media ecosystem, and as such, it could get squashed or eaten long before it has a chance to fulfill its potential. But if more than 200 Wall Street pros are taking time out of their day to investigate a $15 million company, then we should probably be watching them closely too. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.